Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the like and subscribe button to get more updates about our videos. How to fix TikTok bans. Did you just get banned? Don't worry, there's still hope. Here's another video for you about how to get back your account from being banned. Getting banned is the worst thing that could happen to a creator. I'm gonna tell you ways to never get banned. Many creators don't know what the guidelines for content are. Here are 5 things to keep in mind when you're going live on TikTok. Make sure you're old enough. All TikTok users have to be of legal age, which is 18. Don't scam. If your live has copyright claims or is fake news or is a scam to get more followers by following them back, it will be banned. No sexy content. TikTok will ban videos if you're exposing your underwear, if your language is sexually explicit, or you're implying nudity, or if you're showing sexually explicit products. Don't attack anyone. If you use vulgar language against someone, you'll be banned. Stay kid-friendly. Don't drink or gamble. A lot of kids are on TikTok. Try to be friendly because otherwise, banned. Be respectful. Don't expose any personal information like home addresses or phone number, or you'll be banned. Now, in case you violated all those things, I'm gonna teach you how to get back your account from being banned, how to access your TikTok account after it's banned. If your account has been banned, you'll receive a banner notification informing you of this account change. Step 1. Tap on Ban Notification. Step 2. Tap on Details to check why and how long you got banned for. A short live ban is between 10 minutes to a day, so just wait until your account is lifted. But if your ban is permanent or lasts too long, you can ask to remove it. How? Let them know by submitting an appeal. To submit an appeal, open the notification. Tap Appeal. Follow the instructions provided. Clarify the situations, and try to attach files or screenshots for proof. Another way to submit an appeal is to tap on Me icon. Tap on 3 dots on the top right. Go to Support. Report a problem. Choose Live. Choose Hosting Live. Choose I can't start a live. And from there, you can tell them what happened. Second option is to send them email directly. If you are not able to log into the TikTok account, you can send TikTok support team emails directly. It is recommended for permanent bans, but it will also work for temporary TikTok bans. What to put in your appeal. In the text box, enter your message. Make sure to compose it with a personal touch explaining your side and appeal well. If you have photos or proof, tap the picture and video icons to attach them accordingly. After sending the emails, just wait for a positive response. Don't quit after you send the first appeal email because you might have to frequently send emails to get a response from them. Usually, after a TikTok account gets banned, the user is supposed to appeal the ban within the first few days. Here's something you shouldn't miss before we wrap up this video. Don't let web giants ban you and kill your business for just no reason. It's time to reclaim your internet marketing and free yourself from the limitations and stress. It's time to get Logi, the first multi-login, multi-account, secure browser for internet marketers, the only browser you should use for internet marketing. Logi browser makes multi-login and multi-account safer by preventing browser fingerprinting. Run ads from multiple accounts from one computer without problems. Do multi-account marketing securely. 100% protection on all social media sites, forum sites, and blog sites. Don't waste money on slow and expensive VPS. Secure multi-login browser right on your computer. Scale your business and earn profits with multi-login marketing. Run multi-login, multi-account campaigns for yourself or clients. So track Logi now. Go to logi.in. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. And thanks for watching.